Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of RTHD. In this episode, I want to continue on where we left off last time, which is learning the note C on the keyboard. In this episode, we're going to learn all the other white key notes that are on the keyboard. So stay tuned, please remember to like and subscribe, and let's get to it now. Alright guys, so we are back and we left off knowing that this was the leftmost C. If you don't know how to figure that out, please check out my video previously where I show how to determine C. Alright, so we're looking at what we are interested in knowing is, of course, all the other notes, white keys, and what their corresponding notes are. So we started off at C, and thus to the right of C we would have D. And to the right of D, we would have E. And this is pretty much or basically just like the alphabet where if you start at C, you go D, E, F, G, etc. So C, D, E. To the right of E, F. To the right of F would be G. And then to the right of G would be, if you said H, nope, it's not H. It's actually going to be A. And the reason behind this is because in music, the basic notes are really from A to G, and then it restarts again. So the fact that we started off at C, went to D, E, F, G, now we reset back to A, to the right of A would be B, and to the right of B would be C. And that's pretty much what is known as an octave. An octave is 8 notes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, as you could also see as well too, is that we started off at C here, where the two black keys, to the left of the two black keys, it was C. And then we ended off to the left of the two black keys, which is C. And this is how you can make sure that you are getting the correct notes, because let's say, for example, we did something wrong and we counted this thing, and then we ended up with this for some reason being C. This is not C, by the way. Just saying that this was C, then we know something is wrong, because we know that it's only the C note is always the left of the two black keys. So when we do it, we go C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. And if you did that, congratulations, you actually are one step further to playing the keyboard. So I would like you to, of course, if you don't know what C is, go back to that previous video and then continue with this video, and then in the next video we're going to learn the black keys, and it's going to make hopefully more sense as we go along. Thank you so much for viewing, and stay tuned to another episode of RTHD coming to the YouTube screen near you. Bye.